And welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our training and the preparation for Elastic Certified Observability Engineer exam. And today with the last video where we will see how we can create a dashboard that use visualization based on observability data. So we will go to our environment, or let's jump to our environment and let's go to Discover. Right, this is the easiest way to use or to create first visualization, and then we import these visualizations to our dashboard. Right, I will just go quickly to dashboard for a second, or yeah, let me go here to dashboard. So you if you are following the same steps as I did in the previous videos, like we have a similar environment, once you add an integration to your agent, the dashboards will be uploaded automatically here to your environment, and you will be able to see data here, or the dashboards are up and running and everything is okay. So if we want to build something similar, then we can do like we can go to visualizations or visualize library and create our own visualizations. Like here there is a lens, which is this is the easiest one or way to use the or to create a visualization. So it's just a drag and drop. So here, for example, if I want like to see or visualize the agents that we have, then I can click here. Or if I want, for example, to to add agent version, I can just add it on the top, and so on and so forth. But let's go for like for me, we'll start from scratch. I will start here from data. So you refer here to the to Discover, right? And here you will be able to interact with your data. So here I will search for, I will eliminate this one. I'm looking for the metrics. I want to build something for like the metric. One second, let me search for it. Yeah, so this one. So I will look for this, just this there. I will filter in, or let me remove this filter. So I will keep this one. Right, so what we have here, we have a lot of informations, right? We have like here, for example, the host name, host IP, MAC address, a lot of details about the OS, the CPU, and so on and so forth, right? So if we want to visualize, then you can easily, even like we go from the way like from here and you click visualize and you add it, or from here, one second, let me close this one. Or if you want, for example, to create directly from here, let's say Elastic agents, right? Or the agent name. It's 100%, like I have just one agent, but let's say I want to create visualization for this field. So I just click here on visualize, and here I will be able to find the visualization, or here are the suggestions, right? Or if I want, for example, to choose another type here, for example, table, or horizontal or vertical bar, then you can choose it directly from here, pie, and so on and so forth. So let's save this one. So I said demo exam 1, for example, and here where you want to save this visualization. Do you have an existing dashboard that you want to add this visualization to it, or you just want to create visualization and after you create the dashboard? So now I will say none, right? If I want to add a tag, I will, for example, say this observability, like this. I don't know if it's correct. So I will save, right, and add to library. I will go back to Discover again, and I will choose another index, or another field, sorry, agent type, right? So let me remove this one. I will go to agent type, right? So I will also click on visualize, and this time I will go, I don't know, this one maybe, histogram, and here we save it. I will name it demo exam 2, for example, none, and give it observability tag. Here we go. Let's add the last one. Let's go to Discover, right? From Discover, let's see what we have here. We don't have anything here. Here we go. I will do it with this ID. I will visualize it. I will choose table. Right. So I'll save it. Demo exam 3. So as you see, I'm taking just random fields, but in your case, if you have a specific scenario, so you have to respect it, and not just the field, like the type of the visualization and so on and so forth. Now let's create our own dashboard. So click dashboard. I will go back here to dashboards and click create dashboard and add from library. Here we have all the list of visualizations that we have. For us, we have this tag, which is observability, right? So I have exam 1, 2, and 3. I add all the 3, right? You can adjust your visualization, right? You can adjust it as you like. And also here, like let's say you agree, you good with all the visualization, you confirm everything is okay. If they ask you to add from the existing visualizations, right, then you can come here and you choose the visualization from here. So you can find the visualizations from here, and you take it from there. So I don't know, like I would just go like this. I don't know if, yeah, I just add this one. So you can add it, right? Once you're done, save, and you give it a name, description, tag if you want. Here we go. You save, and like to confirm, you have to go back to the dashboards again, and you search for your dashboard, even by name or by tag, and you open it. You make sure that everything is up and running and everything is saved correctly, and you submit your solution, right? With that being said, we're done with this training. Next training, we will start with Elastic Certified Engineer. With that being said, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions related to this training, and we'll see you in the next one.